Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you how to make a decadent soursop punch. Really easy to put together and you can use either fresh or frozen soursop to make this. So we're going to start by putting everything into our blender. So in goes some whole milk or stay fresh milk or moo milk. In goes my fresh soursop pulp. Next, I went in with my mixed essence, which the camera did not pick up, and my sweetened condensed milk and Angostura bitters. Don't forget to add in your vanilla or mixed essence, guys. I'm sorry that the camera did not catch it. Now I'm going to go in with some freshly grated nutmeg, and I always like grating my own nutmeg. In goes some cinnamon powder. Next, place this onto your blender, cover it, and begin to blend. Blend until it's a very smooth. Once it's blended really well, you're going to go ahead and pour this out into a glass. You can either serve it as is, you can serve it on ice, or you can freeze it and make an ice cream. So amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy soursop recipe. Make it and let me know down below if you like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please continue to stay safe and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.